So I'm going to show you how to download and install RAVE. It's real simple. You can go to the RAVE website, and then download will take you over to our GitHub repository and the latest release there. This version is 2.01, which works with 10.6 and up. And you just simply download the little .esri add-in. This is nothing more than a zip file. And so I'll go ahead and download it here. Actually, I already downloaded it, but so, and then the key is, whether you have to go to your download folder or wherever it is, the key is you install this while ArcGIS is not running, okay? And so if this is a clean install, you simply hit install add-in, and that's it. So we come up and we'll load ArcGIS. And I'll also show you afterwards how to upgrade to a new release. We're constantly making revisions to these things as new project types get added, new symbology, new layers to those projects. So this process will be good for you to know. So I come in here. If I'm not seeing the RAVE toolbar right away, I can right click and then I turn it on at this River Analysis Viewer and Explorer. And that brings up this little toolbar. I'll just dock it over here for now. Okay, and it only has three little menus. Has this for the Explorer that it adds, it has the add a project to the map, and then the help, and you're ready to go. And that's all there is to the installation. Now, if you're interested in how you upgrade this, you can keep watching. Sometimes if you want to make sure what version of RAVE you have, you hit About RAVE and 2.01 as what we have here. So let's just pretend that what I have here is some version of 1.0. I go over to the website, I look in here and say, oh, there's a later version. So the workflow in that case is to remove RAVE, and so you do that by going to Customize, Add-in Manager, and then you find RAVE, and then you just say delete this add-in. Now, confusingly, when you do that, it doesn't get rid of the toolbar. Those changes don't take place until you close ArcMap. So now I've got ArcMap closed. I have and I've downloaded this new version of the code. And so I simply do the same thing as before, hit install add-in, it's done. And then when I come back in, I'll be working with the latest release. So that's all there is to it. If you have any questions, post them on the forum.